What's good, gang? Welcome back to another vlog, bro. Today we working on the Miata. We're actually, bro, first of all, we're fitting the steelies on the Miata. We gotta, since the homie gotta buy lower springs because these springs are way too big, we're gonna actually cut them and raise the coil and play with the height. So in a little bit we're gonna go get my grinder and we're gonna be cutting this bitches. On the front is fitting, but now we gotta fit the rears how it used to be. So we're working on it, bro. Yeah, Mikey. Yo. So basically, bro, like I said, we're gonna lower the car and we're gonna try to have the car on the ground lowered by today. So we actually, the car was on the floor, but the spring is not letting the car, even though the coil is maxed out, it's not even, bro. I even play with the preload and it's not lowering, so we're gonna cut the spring. So currently waiting on my little brother and Mikey to bring me the grinder, and I'm gonna cut those springs, put everything back together and lower the car, and I'm gonna show y'all the results. After that we gotta get gas and all that. So yo, these niggas came out with the grinder. We're gonna cut these springs. We're actually gonna go like until I'm not sure, I'm not measuring, but I want to go like at least an inch or 2 inches. So we're gonna cut right in the middle right here. Dale, Mikey, oye, Mikey, ¿cómo va a ser? No. Muchas cosas a la vez, cabrón. Mikey, cabrón, Mikey, pon el pie ahí, aguántate. Recuérdate ahí de la huevetito. Mikey no puede. Es que se mueve, ¿viste? Voy a cruzar aquí, hombre. Ahí. Este cabrón que está. Mikey, agárrale la puta sprint con la pierna. Olvídate que yo no voy a cortar. Mete la pierna ahí, Que le cuadra. Yo, gang, yesterday, bro, it got too dark. I didn't record the results, so Yo, gang, so yesterday it got dark. I didn't record the results, but I'm gonna drop a couple B-rolls of how the car is sitting right now. We managed to lower the car. Shit is, so let's drop a couple B-rolls real quick. Yo, gang, it's the next day. I'm a little, I don't know what's going on. Maybe because I'm smoking a lot of blunts. My boys, my boys is a little, I feel like a little sick. But, bro, today we're going to pick up some new wheels again for this guy. My guy is, bro, 2 sets in less than 2 months. My niggas destroying
destroying the shit out of them.
Yo, we in a Starbucks, a little Starbucks run, and y'all are coming with me. Yesterday, bro, you saw the results of the Miata. It's not completed. Now the homie gotta sand the whole car. He gotta primer the car. It's a whole process, but we actually got the car lower on the rears, and now he's gonna wait on the front upper control arms so we can finish the front fitment. So the car, I'm actually recording this to bring more content to the channel and a different car, you know what I'm saying, than my car. So hell yeah, we here. We're gonna go drive like an hour, a motherfucking hour. My niggas
preparing.
He wants that coffee right now, you know what I'm saying.
My mocha.
Yo, OG shit, you know what I'm saying. OG shit.
And always subscribe, leave a like, comment.
Subscribe, my niggas, because I'm broke. You guys got me fucked up.
I own that shit.
God,
oh, don't believe that shit.
Yo, Java cheap white mocha, let me put you in.
No. It's a white mocha
with Java
chip on it.
And we put you guys on, you know, smiley face. Nah, bro, today I wasn't even my bad, I'm a little, you know what I'm saying.
Confused.
Yo, so we're gonna go and drive like almost 2 hours, to get those wheels. Basically this video is working on the homies' cars. We was working on the Miata. Now we're gonna pick up new wheels for the Lancer. Bro, this is lit. Constant content. I mean, consistent content. One day I'm gonna buy that motherfucker and I'm gonna stance it. I'm telling you guys, one day, bro. One day.
Who's good for that, kid?
Te cogí guillando, no viste la luz. Ahí está, casi que mete el celular en el Java chip.
Diablo, imagínate, cabrón.
This nigga be hitting that shit all the way, bro. High as fuck right now. Yo, we got here to ¿Cómo se llama esto aquí?
Revolution wheels.
We got 2 Revolution wheels. We're gonna pick up the wheels. What's going on right here? I don't know shit. El hombre está contento ahora para el bolsillo.
Después de 5 años.
Después de 5 years. Yo, we got to the shop. A lot of wheels in here, as always.
Foco largo.
Exacto. 17s, 16, 15. Yeah, I gotta hit my man up if you're from Puerto Rico, bro. You got a variety of wheels. A lot of stuff. From arms to wheels, lights, bro. This man got everything on deck. Yo, the best wheel, one of the best wheels, no cap, bro. You can't fight it. Steelies, bro.
No pintaba así.
Damn, this color looks diablo fire. Intakes, coils, tips, shift knobs, everything, bro.
Tip.
Cover for the shift knob.
My tip.
Yo, we got out of the tire shop. Now we're gonna eat some McDeezy. Homie repping. Y'all should go cop your shirt on the website. I'm gonna leave a link right here. We're lit. Yo, gang, I didn't record when we ate, but we're out of the McDeezy. We're on our way with the new wheels.
Yes.
Happy customer, right here. We're on our way 1 hour back to the crib. So I'll see y'all when I get to the crib. I don't even know what I'm gonna do, but I'll see you when I get to the crib. Yo, I didn't show the wheels. We're gonna show one wheel, and after this clip, we're gonna insert a clip of the homie testing the wheels on the car. So yeah. Fucking heat. ¿Cuál es la medida? These are, espérate, 18 by 10 and a half, 22 offset. So this is, bro, this is humongous.
Cabrón, mira este. Nice. Tócalo.
Printed.
Printed.
These are hella light as well. Yo, the day quickly twisted, and we're today going. Yesterday we was getting the homies wheels, new wheels. Today we're gonna go buy new 15s for the Corolla, the turbo Corolla. This guy finally is gonna get some wheels, cause he already got all the stuff for the, oh shit, I mean all the piping and all the intercooler stuff. So all he needs now is some good wheels and mount everything, bro, and then tune the car. So bro, this is a crazy ass vlog, bro. Second day of picking up wheels, bro. Insane. So you guys are coming with me. Spare, you already know, the daily. Yo, changed my shirt. Little rinse to the daily because it was all dirty. Little blunt for the road. And we're gonna go pick up wheels. Bro, this vlog is gonna be hella long. Picking up wheels for this thing. I don't know if we're gonna test fit them, but I wanna post the vlog tomorrow. So we may test fit them on the front. So, yes sir.
aguantar
Yo,
presión.
we're on our way to pick up the wheels on the XB. I already know what's going on.
Yeah, Suzuki.
Yo, we got out of the meeting spot. We got the wheels. Bro, let me get to the crib because road is hella crowded and I'm gonna show y'all the wheels. Bro, wheels are new and for the price, bro, this is a motherfucking steal. No cap. Yo, on our way back. It's almost night time, but we're still gonna try to fit one wheel so you can see how the car's gonna look. I already know, bro. This vlog is full of getting new wheels, bro. Yo, we got to the crib. These are the new wheels.
God damn.
Yo, so it's nighttime, but we're still gonna test fit one side, and I don't know if we're gonna put the 4 wheels tomorrow, but at least you're gonna see the car fitted with the wheels. So we're gonna put this wheel. Yo, these look insane. Yo, so we was messing with the coilovers a little bit just to lower the car and see where it lands, to have an idea, because it was hella raised so on the stocks. So we lowered the car a little bit. We're gonna see what's going on now. This is the official test fit. Bro, these are meaty as hell. Nah, bro. This looks so good. We're now checking on the fender. Just checking if it... Dale. Dale para otro lado. Dale. Ahí. Por lo derecho. Ya. Yo, we was gonna wait until tomorrow, but this guy too excited, so we're gonna mount all the wheels and we're gonna dial the car. This is how we looking on the fronts. Yo, this is perfect. I mean, still got room for a little bit, but she looks nice like this, bro. That's filming. You know what I'm saying? So basically, bro, we're gonna raise the car, clean the coilover a little bit because it's a little dusty, and lower the car. So that's basically what we're doing. It's nighttime. We don't got light. We don't got shit. But we're gonna do this, and we're gonna go out to the gas station, take some pictures and all that. So I'll come back to y'all when we start lowering this side. Yo, it's late as hell, but the car is sitting on the 4 wheels. We actually didn't lower the rears because coilovers are stuck, and we gotta unstuck them tomorrow because it's late, hella late, bro. But fronts are pretty good, bro. Jeez, bro, this looks amazing. Yo, car's looking. Yo, gang, it's the next day, bro. These days been hella chaotic, bro. Buying wheels, 2 sets of wheels on the same block, bro. That's crazy. We actually, like I said earlier, I said we was gonna go to the gas station when we was done with the Corolla. We didn't went to the gas station because the coilovers were stuck, and we didn't dial the rears. The only part of the car that we lowered, it was the fronts. So I'm gonna drop a couple B-rolls of how the car's looking. We still gotta lower the rears, but I'm gonna leave that for the next vlog because this vlog is not too long. I managed to cut a couple parts because it was hella long. But I want to show you guys. Y'all remember the fog lights I bought for the car, bro? These, bro, they was hella dirty, hella rusted on the inside. Shout out to the homie Bellota that he really helped me working on these. Yesterday I didn't caught it on camera, but let me pick them up real quick. Yo, first of all, let me drop those B-rolls of the Corolla, and I'll come back to y'all and show y'all the lights.
Yeah, Suzuki?
Bro, car looks so good with those TEs, bro. It just, bro, the car, it really needed some wheels to look even better. So super hyped and happy for my little brother and the homie Jaime, bro. I like and love to see people happy with the stuff that they buy. So, bro, super happy. My car, we didn't work on my car in this vlog, but I'm actually working the registering and all that. So on the next vlog, we're probably gonna be outside because the car's gonna be registered. And this is what I was gonna show you. So y'all remember I bought these real dirty and rusted, like I was saying. These are the fog lights that are going on here. I'm gonna slide a picture right here of how dirty and rusted, bro, these were. These were completely bad, bro. They was bad. And these look completely new now, bro. Sheesh. Bro, all I gotta do now is basically the trim. I gotta sand the trim, paint it on black, and spray a little bit of metal flakes, just because the car is, if I spray it black, you're gonna notice the difference, because car is really bluish now. So car is all dirty and shit, fucking water on the wheels and all that. But bro, we managed to clean up really well the fog lights. Now on the next vlog, you guys are gonna see how I paint the trim and I install the fog lights. I gotta do the whole harness to connect them and all that. But for now, I want to put them on the bumper, because it's gonna give it a new look to the car. A complete new look, bro. Like, come on, bro, this shit looks super new. What I'm gonna do to get rid of the final like spots and all that, I'm gonna polish them, a little 3000 grit, and polish them. Yo, but this vlog is gonna end up right here. Thank you so much for watching, bro. If you made it to the end of the video, I'm gonna keep dropping constant content. I've been slacking a little bit just because the car doesn't have insurance and I'm not mobbing around. But as soon as I register the car, we're gonna be outside, bro. This vlog is a kind of different. I'm gonna start doing these type of vlogs too, because my little brother is working on the car. Soon we're gonna tune the Corolla. We're actually trying to push 220 horsepower or 200. We're not sure yet on the what the car is gonna give. We don't know the results. We gotta tune the car. But I love the new car of the I love the new look of the Corolla. Happy for the homie Jaime. He got new wheels. My car is sitting super nice too. It's pretty dirty and shit, but let me show you real quick. I actually cleaned the inside of the car. Damn, it's pretty decent now. I mean, don't mind about tools and shit. Let me close. All right, bro. Shiny. Cleaned up interiors. I mean, I still got a vacuum and shit, but yeah, man, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share the video with your homies, with your mom, friends, brother, cousins, bro. Share the video with everyone, bro. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe, bro. We're so close to 2,000, bro. I remember when I started this shit like almost 2 years ago. This is actually, like I always say, last year is the year that I started to take this YouTube thing serious and all that. So, man, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment, bro. Like I said on every vlog, I love to read comments and reply to the comments. So, yeah, man, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.